Kinsley, you want to see your baby sister? You want to see her?
What's the baby sister's name? What's her name?
You want to see her?
Yeah.
Mommy's going to hold you up so you can see Aubrey, your new sister.
You say Aubrey?
Aubrey.
Aubrey. Oh.
Aubrey.
You want to see her?
Aubrey.
It's a baby sister.
There she is. Do you like her? That's your new sister.
Yeah, gentle.
Look at her little nose.
Who's that?
Blowing it out.
Like
She's
Kinsley
happy.
or the baby?
That's the baby.
She have the dark hair like she had?
Yeah, looks that way. I think darker and more of it.
Oh my goodness.
Kinsley, that's your sister.
She made any sounds yet?
Not really.
She's real quiet.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Kinsley, what do you think about her?
Baby.
Yeah. Baby
It's
sister.
gonna be your friend.
Is the middle name Maya?
Yes.